SINOM Reducer. The rolling stand reducer is an indispensable and important equipment in the steel mill. Its main function is to convert the high-speed, low-torque output of the motor or other power equipment into a low-speed, high-torque output to meet the working requirements of the rolling mill. This reducer has the characteristics of high efficiency, stability, and reliability, and is widely used in various types of stand equipment. The reducer ensures the smooth operation of the rolling mill and improves the stability of product quality. It can adapt to harsh working environments and ensure long-term stable operation. It can integrate and optimize the input power to improve system performance. The rolling mill reducer can improve production efficiency and increase the output per unit time. It effectively reduces the load of the motor and protects the normal operation of the motor. The products have been packed and are ready to be transported to the port. If you are interested in our products, you can consult us.